Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my makeup review series. Today my lips are feeling very chapped, so I figured I would try out a lip balm. I love trying out lip balms, especially ones from brands that I'm not familiar with. This is from, oh my gosh, the brand called Kandy, and this is the lip butter. Oh, the sound of lip butter just sounds even better than lip balm. I'm even more excited to try this out now. This is the Go Getter in Lemon Citrus. Ooh, I'm so excited to smell this. So when I was looking this up online, it looks like this retails for $13 and it's very high rated. And there's a whole line of products around the lemon go-getter line. So scrubs and facial creams, things like that. So I'm really excited to be diving into this brand. Let's see the smell. Oh, it smells so good. Just like what you would expect lemon citrus to smell like. A refreshing lemon scent. Ooh, I am so excited to put this on my very dry, chapped lips now. Let's see if it gets rid of the chapped, dry areas on my lips. A nice silky texture. Goes on with a little bit of shine, but pretty much a natural finish. Wow. And as I'm working it through, like rubbing it into my lips, it really is getting rid of the chapped areas in my lips. I'm very impressed right now because my lips were very dry and chapped. I was kind of expecting to still have some of that dry texture, but oh my gosh, my lips are actually completely smooth right now. I am kind of shocked. I don't know if I've ever had a lip balm be that transformative to my lips. Wow. My lips are completely hydrated, smoothed out, and almost like exfoliated, kind of. Like, there is absolutely no chapped, dry skin at all on my lips anymore. Whoa. My lips look smoothed out, just absolutely transformed. I'm like actually blown away right now. This is amazing. I did not expect to be so blown away by a lip balm. I was hoping just to get just a bit of hydration on my lips, even if it was like coating over the dry patches in my lips, but no. This is the best lip balm I think I may have ever tried. It made my lips perfect now. Like, wow. And I love the scent, like a little bit of like a sour lemonade smell. I love a scented lip product. This is amazing. I highly recommend this. Good thing I'm trying this out early in the cold weather season because this is going to be my go-to this winter. Oh my gosh. If you have chapped lips, you have got to try this out. Kandy Lip Butter Go Getter Lemon Citrus. Like, oh my gosh, if you've tried this out, let me know in the comments down below. I am so excited to hear if this product works as amazing on other people. I am assuming it does because this has like full 5-star ratings, hundreds of reviews. So, wow, I get the hype with this and I need to spread the word. This is amazing. Well, so thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.